Now I am making this tamale pie on page 16, and it smells like it's going to be a good recipe. Just hamburger peppers. I actually did some mixed peppers because I had them in the freezer. Onion, garlic, tomatoes. I had tomato sauce already open, so I just put that in instead of tomato paste. Corn, olives, sugar, pepper. I left the sugar out, but just did the pepper and the salt and the chili powder. And then I'll put a topping on it. And I have I'm going to leave out the American cheese because who has that? But I'll just put some cheddar on it. And all this stuff I do have on hand usually, so that made it pretty easy to throw together.
Very good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Great. This is what it looked like. I did not make the corn stuff on the double boiler because I didn't want to take that much time, and it seemed to be just fine in the regular pan. Are you going to try it?
No.
No? Are you going to try it? Nope, not going to. No, not going to try it. What do you think?
It's good.
Great.
Kind of reminds me of like halfway between cornbread and an omelet.
Oh, really? It doesn't have any eggs in it, though, but maybe it's the texture.
Kind of texturizing.
Okay. I think it's really good. I think it is a bit salty, but everyone seems to enjoy it. Very good. I think if we make it again, I just want to put the cheese on the top so you get the nice crunchy cheesy layer.